Rosemont College is currently having some athletic fields built for them. The construction company was drilling down below, and they hit a gas main that's going across the field there, and the gas main ignited, and now we're waiting for PECO to shut the main off so that we can extinguish the fire. When the flame started, it also involved the crane that's up there, the drilling crane. So right now we got a boat involved, trying to keep the crane cooled down until PECO gets engaged. So 3 burns to contractors, minor burns, if I understand.
So 3 of them?
Yes.
Minor burns after it ignited?
Yes.